Saturday, day 3 of the Extreme Benchrest, and I have some excellent news. Despite missing that shot yesterday, I got number 10 in my heat. I am 10th. I'm on the leaderboard. This has never happened. This is new territory, people. We have to shoot well today. We could qualify. You and me, we could qualify. We're going in a minute. I am standing here in the rain at Extreme Benchrest number 14. It is 2025. We're on October 11th today, I believe. And people are shooting in the rain at their qualifier at 75 yards. Not a whole lot of wind, but the rain is definitely coming down. We have water on the ground out here in the desert. I saw quail, I saw rabbits this morning. All the animals are coming out just as predicted. Check out the mountains. They have like clouds over the mountains today. It is special today. And I am number 10 in my heat. So if I do well today, we could qualify. I could qualify for the 100-yard Benchrest. I'm over the moon. I'm so excited. I appreciate everybody's support in this. Thank you so much to Brocock. The Ghost is killing it out here. I'm using the MTC King Cobra, and it's able to zoom way in on the targets and really helps me out. So I'm going to keep updating y'all. We're going to check out all the stuff on Raffle because I'm super excited about the raffle. We have to win something this year. Maybe even a new gun. Not that the Ghost would be replaced. Hey guys, it's Jessica here in the Day State Lounge. We have all of our wonderful vendors. Be sure to support our vendors. And we have here Ray from Scout Airgun. Scout is very prevalent at EBR this year. They have fantastic shirts this year and fantastic guns. Some of the guys are really knocking it out there with their Scouts. And so we're gonna have him tell us what he has here and what it offers.
Yeah, sure, yeah. So we have the Evo here. Everybody's shooting that on the line today. And our exciting new product, we got the Whisper moderator. We got it available in 17 and 22 caliber right now, and I have it displayed here on a 22 caliber Evo. We've also got that moderator in 25 and 30 cal. Great results, sounds great, performs great, accuracy's great.
And he's
highlighting it.
Yeah, he says that it gets an amazing shot count. He has a 30-shot mag that goes in it, and you get 3 to 4 mags per fill. So you're getting at least 100 shots or around 100 shots, which is perfect if you're trying to shoot the 50-yard Benchrest here because you only get to fill once, and low shot counts definitely get a disadvantage. These guys are using it out at 75 yards right now, and I just had a guy tell me he hit a 240. So it's definitely capable. It's just whether or not you're the user error. Here's a couple other awesome colors they offer in case you're vain, like me. So we love the Scout air guns, and we're so glad you made it here.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks. I want to share a specialty company with you that makes tiny parts and specialty parts for air guns. It's Flare Technologies. They're out of Gilbert, Arizona, and they are able to make any type of screw or specialty metal piece that you need. Maybe you need something on the inner workings of your gun that's slightly millimeters thinner or something, and they're able to make that for you, machine it so that it is a proper piece to put in your gun and won't break. They do amazing work. About to shoot the 75-yard qualifier. It's our second card. They add it to your first card for a possible total of 500. I got a 223 yesterday, which was awesome. And so now we're gonna try to see if we can get a good score. People are shooting like a 237, 240 right now, despite the rain, because there's no wind. So hopefully it works out just as well for me. We'll see. We've got a bunch of great shooters down the line. And we're about to get started. should be good. I'll cut it from there. Thanks. Just finished shooting the last row that I was shooting on. The gun started shooting a little to the left and then a little down. There was no consistency from the last few shots. There's probably a fleck of lead in my barrel, but I didn't have time to clean the barrel. There were 2 minutes left on the clock. I took 2 or 3 sighters and then I just estimated and took my last 5 shots on top because it's better to hit something than nothing, but it is not the score I wanted on the top row. I had all 10s on the second row. So we're gonna go check it out now and see how it went. At least I finished the card. I took my last 5 shots in the last 30 seconds. Okay guys, we just finished our second card. My card was going fantastic on the first 2 rows. And then around midway towards the end, my gun shot a little to the left, then a little down, then a little to the left, a little down. Usually that indicates I need to clean my barrel. When I jumped up to go clean the barrel, somebody goes, 2 minutes left. So I just reloaded my mag, which was empty. Now I'm down to 1 minute 10 seconds, and I just took the last 5 shots estimating. So they're not the best. Totally brought down my score. Hopefully it's good enough, but if not, it was lots of fun. Here we go. Here's the card. These are the shots I took in the last 30 seconds. It was terrible. Terrible. And then these were the shots I took at the beginning. We were just pegging the 10. Just pegging it. Just pegging it. I was really happy with the card up until the end there. We hope it's good enough. It might not be, but that just gives us a reason to come back next year. Super excited to be out here again. Make sure you make it to Extreme Benchrest. Additional challenge that they have here at EBR for your second card is that you try to shoot this pellet. It's called the Pellet Challenge, and a gentleman named Ross from Scotland brings a bottle of whiskey all the way over from Scotland that's top shelf. And so to win that, you have to hit the head of the pellet and knock out the head of the pellet. The smaller calibers win over higher calibers if the shots are the same, because the smaller calibers harder to knock it out with. So here is my attempt. Every year I come very, very close, but I never win the bottle. So here is my pellet shot. Pellet shot. Look at that. Never wins. We can hope. We can hope for some whiskey. Maybe if we don't win, we'll get to drink about it. People are shooting up the last cards for the Benchrest. This is the 75-yard qualifier, the second card. People are hitting a 240, 245. The numbers are amazing. As long as your gun doesn't mess up and you don't mess up, you should be getting amazing scores today at EBR. I found a desert butterfly. I found a butterfly in the desert. There he is. How about that? This is definitely because of the rain, guys. Definitely because of the rain. Our yellow butterflies are usually called sulfur butterflies. I wonder if he's a sulfur too. Look at that background. Chickens or rams first?
Wherever it lands.
Just like Tom. Nice. No, only the frictionless Nicholas. Who are you going for first? Chickens or rams? He's going chickens. Chickens or rams first?
Rams.
Rams.
No question.
No question. All right. difficult part about this speed silhouette is you have to either load your magazine after they call time to fire, or you single load and you can start shooting right away. So we just watched Nicholas do it single shot, just single loading. He only missed 2 shots that I saw, maybe 1 or 2 more, but I think he beat everybody in the match doing that way. There's Barb. Let's check out Carl. He's a great shooter. Oh no, one more pellet.
I only had 20 in there.
Dang. Ugh, the struggle is real. Look at that chicken just taunting
I'm gonna
us.
kick his ass.
That chicken is like,
Okay, here it is. Am I on the
got him right before the end. Guys, the rain stopped and the weather is now magical. It is blue skies, beautiful weather, just to die for. The views look fake. And right here, I found a bunch of bees. They're so excited to get water. Look at all these little ladies. So thirsty.
Right, so Jessica's now asked me to do the filming for her. How's that fair? All I came down to do is watch it, but now I'm filming. Oh well.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not good at this at all. But we're going to try anyway. Oh, that was so bad. That's so bad.
Hit the buzzer.
Roger's got all the best ideas.
I tell you, I've got all of them. You know it.
Let's see if I can hit them non-zero.
My bad.
It's gonna take forever.
You don't let a girl beat you, Brandon?
It's not hard to beat me. It's not hard to beat me.
Come on, come on, come on.
Don't let me beat you, Brendan. It's gonna look real bad if I beat you.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You got this, you got this, you got this. Come on. Shoot good, shoot good.
Oh no!
No, 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 no. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
He's off of it. Guys, we're done.
Jessica, very quickly, did you just steal some pellets off somebody else's thing? Did you? Did you?
Don't get distracted right
I'm
now.
just
We're
sort of
on the
little.
right. Are we all good on the left?
You're in trouble.
Troublemaker.
Reset if you're helping us.
She's been stealing pellets off people. She just went, whoa. I'm glad he didn't leave his wallet there. That's bad. Oh, that's cold. She's cold. That's so funny.
She can yell at him.
No. She just stole a load of his pellets. She hasn't got enough pellets. They just grabbed a load. So funny, that girl.
Okay. I appreciate you.
Did you tell the truth? Jessica, did you actually admit it?
I asked him if I could have some of the pellets, and he told me no, and I told him I already stole it.
So Jessica, let me get this right. Have you taken more now? You've taken more, right? So, how do you feel about this? Can I ask you? I mean, how do you feel about her stealing your pellets?
She's shooting Brocock.
Yeah.
So
brothers and sisters.
See, we are friends. You're an instigator. That's what it is.
I am.
Caliber guns,
Yes.
so no.
Oh, all right.
You're.
Go away, right? I got you.
No, I
got a
dumped it
cheater.
out and then refilled it after they called fire.
Are you getting ready for the next heat?
Focus, Linda. Not
Shooters on my left. Does anyone need a little bit more time? Shooters on my right. Does anyone need a little bit more time? I don't see any hands. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the third and final heat. Best luck to all the shooters competing. That being said, shooters ready. Fire.
Come on, Jessica. Come on. Two.
There's only two?
Two. Come on. Hit the buzzer.
I finished. I never finished.
Nice! Good job, girl.
Well done.
It's open class for the speed silhouette. This is the second time they're trying it out. There's going to be a third one in a minute, and they take your best score to see if you qualify for the finals. So we're going to check out these guys. All these guys did great, but this girl kicked butt.
Okay, shooters. This is going to be your second attempt out of a total of 3. Best of luck to all shooters. That being said, shooters ready. Fire.
Woo! Let's get a smile, Lauren.
Dale, vamos de nuevo. Dale. Trata, ponle la mano derecha ahí como si lo estuviera agarrando. No, dale, dale, no te preocupes. Avísame el otro. ¿Ah?
There it is. Yeah.
Carga, 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 carga de nuevo. Dale. Duro, dale para adelante. Ya. Avísame. Apunta bien. Avisa. ¿Ah?
Ceasefire, shooter, ceasefire.
Yeah, last second. Hey! This is the third round for the open class pros, and we're going to follow Dustin, a Day-State shooter with the Delta Wolf.
Fire.
That was Lauren that just finished. Yeah, Dustin.
That was a fun one.
Yeah? Good one? Good.
That's my best run.
Happy for you.
Thank you.
Congrats. This is your third and final qualifying round. Shooters, we will take your fastest of the three. Best of luck to everybody shooting. That being said, shooters ready. Fire.
Well done. Silhouette carnage. Silhouette carnage. Oh, all these dead pigs. What happened, pigs?